Next, we move to the system configuration. First, we understanding the transistors. A transistor is defined as a device capable of being actuated by an energy input from one or more transmission media and in turn generating a related signal to one or more transmission system or media. It provides a usable output in response to a specific input measurement, which may be a physical or mechanical quantity, property, or condition. So the transistors which convert the measurement into a usable electrical output. That meaning is non-electrical input is converted to electrical output in the transistors. So the signal conditioner which convert the transistors output on electrical suitable for control, recording and display. The display or readout device which display the record information about the measurement generally in engineering unit, which is provided to control the instrumentation system and recording the instrumentation system. The electrical power supply which provide the record excitation to the transistors and the necessary electrical power to the signal conditioners and display devices. For example, let us consider the mechanical transistors is the dial uh, of the parameters which has been in existence over the long period. Mechanical transistors possess high accuracy and relatively low cost and operate without any external power supplies. But such type are not advantages for many of the modern scientific experiment and process control instrumentation because of their poor frequency response requirement of large force to overcome mechanical friction. So in the electrical transistors overcome with some limitation of instrumentation control. Let us consider this diagram which is used for generated measurement systems. So in the first step of the transistors, it is converted from one energy form to another energy form. That meaning is non-electrical energy form is converted to electrical form energy. So here, let us consider the input measurement with the help of some execution power supply. Then the transistor is moved to the signal conditioner. The signal conditioner is filtered by some filter. Then it is moved to the instrumentation tape recorder. So instrumentation tape recorder is the output form. The another way, after completing the filter, it will move to the oscilloscope or graphics recorder or potentiometric recorder, that is XY plotter, only for two axis method. It is not three axis method, only for two axis method for X axis and Y axis. Then another form of the transistors by using the microprocessor in the microprocessor with digital displacement or analog to digital converter, it move to the transistors, then it will indicate some analog subsystems. The analog subsystem is to process control system, then it will move to the digital storage or digital printer. That's the first part of this diagram. A computer interface, a digital printer, digital storage. In the sense, after signal conditioner with some control interface with the help of analog to digital converter, then analog to digital converter is moved to the digital display, then it will move to the PC. In the sense, whether it is the digital printer or digital storage. Okay. The transistor is defined as a device which actuated by one form of energy that is capable of converting to another form of the energy. For example, let us consider the mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy. Excuse me. Here mechanical energy is one form of the energy. That is the input of the transistors. Electrical is another form of the energy, the output of the transistors. So in the signal conditioner can vary in complexity from the simple resistance network or complex multi-stage amplifier with or without detectors or demodulators or filters. So the output may be analog or digital quantity. The sense that analog and digital quantity should be stored to the PC. Then the readout or the display device may be in analog or digital format. That meaning is the simplest form of the display device is a common panel meter with some kind of the calibrated scale or printer. With the advance of the computer technology, the analog signal are invariably converted to the digital format through on analog to digital converter. Then it will display in derived unit with a digital panel meter. In the numerical point of view, the numerical printout are obtained whenever a permanent record is necessary. The analog signal itself can be recorded permanently on the self-balancing type potential and they are recorded with the help of ultraviolet oscillograph. Then the graphic pen type galvanometer recorders are also employed in case where the signal frequency is low. If the signal is digital, the information can be printed out and stored on a paper with a teleprinter or line printer or mosaic printer or recorded in a paper tape or punch card or magnetic tape or floppy disk. The main advantages of this device are high accuracy, high speed, and elimination of the human operational error part.